Let's create a calculator that adds two numbers together and print the result as a toast. Let's start. A new project, empty activity. Next, what's the name of the project? Let's say num add. Okay, leave the language in Java or change it if it was in Kotlin. And I'm gonna use API 29. It doesn't matter for this project. Okay, wait for the grader to build. Let's start. We're going to start with the user interface. Let's select this hello world, delete it. What we need now, we need two text fields for the user to enter the numbers that he or she wants to sum, and then a button to add. I'm gonna choose a number field, one, and another one, because we have two numbers, and a button. Let's rename every element. Okay, so let's rename the first text field num1, num2, add btn. And for the button, we need to change the text, scroll down to find the text attribute, and then change it, add, enter, and now we're done. The last step is to make sure everything would be in this manner when we run the emulator. So an easy way to do it is just select the whole page. You see this, clear all constraints, just click it, and then yes, and then select again, use the wand, and you're all set. Now, run the app and let's see how things look. Perfect. Seems like everything is working, except for the functionality of the add button. So let's go and fix the add button. First thing to do is to import all of our elements. We have a number field for 1, number field for 2, and the add button. So private text field number1, number2, private. Let's add the button add btn. And don't forget to import the android.widget.button. I just clicked on options and return to import it, as you can see here. Okay, now let's implement the functionality. We need to connect these variables to their elements in the UI. So find view by id r.id dot num. We called it number1, and then I'm just gonna copy this and paste it again. Num2, 2, and the last one would be the button add btn. Find view by id r.id dot add btn. Now we're all set. Last step is to add the functionality to the button. So when we click this, a toast message will appear here. Add btn dot. The easiest way to do it is set on click listener. You see the first one, the first highlighted function, just click enter, and then new, type new. If you see the first one, to enter, and the code is here. So now we need to get the values of the two numbers so we can add them and print them as a toast message. So int value 1 equal to number1 dot get text. Get text dot to string, and now we have an issue. This is a string and this is a integer value, so we need to cast it. You see the red bulb? just press on it and wrap using parse int. Copy this again for the second value to get the second value, and don't forget to change the num2. And now we just need a value to hold the sum. Int sum, like so. Sum is equal to what? Value 1 plus value 2, right? After this, now we have the sum and we have everything. We just need to show it to the user, so we print a toast message. How to print a toast message? You just type toast get application context, and then what's the text we're trying to print? Our case, we're trying to print the sum. Sum equal to plus sum. That's it, and this should work. Let's run the app again and check. Okay, 25 plus 25, just press add 50. Okay, let's do 10. 35. It seems to work. You can do this to literally every function, and you can follow these steps and add more buttons here for all other operations, multiplication, division, and you will have a fully functioning calculator.